have some questions for you. What's the best primer for an oily nose? I need help, please.
Well, as a certified big pore girly, I got you. Personally, I have found that it's way more about the foundation slash concealer that you're using rather than your primer. This is hands down the best foundation for oily noses because it will not move. Surprisingly, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter also does not rub off on my nose, but you know, nothing really beats this. To be frank, I have actually worked out in this foundation and it did not move despite me sweating my ass off. It is a very heavy foundation though, so I can understand why you wouldn't want to wear this on a day-to-day basis. Hence why I was really surprised that this actually lasted on my nose. I don't know why, but it works. To really secure this in place though, you want to be going in with a NARS POC concealer. I'll usually do the Glowish powder on the outside perimeter of my face, but I definitely use the Easy Bake for your under eye and on the nose. I don't know how much the setting spray matters, but I use the Dewy Set by Anastasia. And that is it. Let's zoom in. Pores are locked in place and this is not gonna move unless you go you know, all over your face. Don't do that. I know this is a very divisive product. Some love it, some hate it, and I think if you use the techniques I kind of used with that primer, it seems to work fine for me at least. Anyway, I hope that helps. See you in the next video.